In front of me is BLACKVIEW Tab 16, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluid. Begin by opening Play Store and installing free app called Magic Fluid Lite Fluid Sim. When your app is ready, open it, and to mute the music right away, tap on the bottom left corner. Then select Got It and choose those 3 lines at the bottom right one. Now click on Set as Live Wallpaper, confirm your choice in the pop-up, and click on Set Wallpaper right away. If you want to, you can also click on this gear at the top right corner. Select I accept in First Things First pop-up and adjust all of those options, like input, fluid, and even colors. If you don't want to do any of that, click on presets and check out all of those. If you like any of them, click on it and hit yes in order to apply it. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, go back and tap on Set Wallpaper at the bottom. Then decide where you wish to apply it, on home screen or home screen and lock screen. I will go with home screen only, so when I tap and go back, I can see that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!